Hi and welcome to this introduction of Conure.me. This is a small application that I'm currently developing on, and I want to show you a small introduction to it, what it can do, and perhaps see what we can do in the future. So let's start by registering an account. So let's see, log in. And we're logged into the system. Okay. Now we're on the dashboard and you cannot see anything because we haven't added anything. There's nothing here, so we want to create a new block. And a block could be a project, it could be a customer, it could be something. So let's put client 1, for instance. Don't need a description right now. Here you can enter a 3-letter combination, or you could pick any icon in the list here. This will be shown on your block. Here you can pick a color and then a shape. So we're going to go with the large one right now. And now I have a block I can place anywhere on the map. Okay. So now you see I can see this object and I can move it on, and I can add another one. Client 2. And this should be pink and perhaps a little bit smaller. And we want to place it by the side of this one. So now I have these two. Now I want to add some tasks to this project. So I add task. And if I set an amount of hour it should take and a deadline, it should also indicate the time available, but it updates once a minute, so it will take some time to do that. If you like to put hours on, you can click here. Then it starts to take time and you see the icon gets blue. That means it's active, and the time will continue to count hours and minutes until you press stop. But we can let that run for a while. And it shows here we have 5 hours and we have used 0 hours. Now we can also create a group. So let's try that. This is my company or my business, and I want this to be that icon, and I want it to, yeah, it could stay there. And we make it large and save. And now I got this circle, and the circle represents a group. And I can go in here and add users, but I need a key and I need another user to add. And you can see this one has now added 1 minute to the time, and I can click here and stop it. And it's purple because I might have to spend some time on it soon. And you can see here I can edit the start and stop time and say, okay, I didn't start, it actually started earlier, and press save. Now it says 27 minutes. So I remove the log, should update here, but as this is a new project, some things don't really update in real time and stuff like that. So we'll get to it later. Another thing is when I press the mouse and hold it down, I can actually loosen things up and move them around. And if I move them over something, it will be red and I cannot place it there. And I can remove things, then they will end up in this list. So I just click here and I get things back again. So this is kind of a storage for things I don't use. Now I want to create a new user. So let's call this user friend. And friend.conure.me. There are, since this is a prototype, there's actually no validation of emails or anything, so you can basically type anything you like. We'll clean out users and stuff if we move on and make this more a product. So this is just for playing around right now. Let's see. Yeah, login. Friend. Okay. Okay. Now, in order for me to join the group, I need a key, and it's this one. So I'm gonna copy that and log out and log in again as test1. I can type this key here and press add. So now I have my friend, and I can go into this project here and click edit and say that, okay, this belongs to the company and this one also belongs to the company. So if I now log out and log in as friend, I can see all of these right here. And there you go. So I can also see this. Now there is no rights access, so I can actually delete the admin here right now. So there's a lot of things that need to be fixed, but as I say, this is still in prototype phase. Here we have the project that the test user started, so I can actually also enter some time here, and I can go into the log and put some extra time here I have started earlier. So there you go. And I can also add my own task. And if I don't put any hours or something, I just press save here. It will stay gray, because then the system has no way of calculating the urgency of this. And since I have not, yeah, it will be added here. But the highest priority tasks and the tasks you were using latest will be up here in the list. What else have we? We have the report. So I can go in here and I can actually get a report of the hours that I've spent. So test client 1, this is test 1 project, and this is the hours that I have entered. I see now I cannot see any other. Yeah, okay, that's, I suppose that's okay for now. Test 1. How does my report look? Yeah, I can see the hours I've been typing here. So if we have groups, then I need to add some user filter here as well, so I can see the hours on all the projects I'm assigned to. Yeah, so as you see, there are still some things that need to be done here, but you feel free to play around with it and give me feedback if you like, and I will slowly continue to build on this, and we'll see if it becomes something useful in the future. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.